there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to block someone on TikTok. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open our TikTok app first. And after that, to block somebody, first you must go to their account to block them. To do that, let's go to our profile button over here by tapping the profile button, and you can see my followers. Let's tap on the followers button or just below the my picture, and you can see all these people are my followers. Okay, let's follow back another account, all these followers over here. Now to block them, just tap on their icon, and in the top right corner of your phone, and at the top right corner of your phone, you can see the three dotted line over here, and tap there. After tapping that, these three lines of options has appeared. First one is to share this account's info to other users. Second one is also to share, but the third line is for reporting, blocking, sending messages and removing this follower. Since we are focusing on how to block somebody, okay, let's go ahead and block this account. Let's tap on the block option. After tapping there, you get a certain warning that blocking this will prevent from seeing your information on TikTok. If you really want to block somebody on TikTok like this, just hit the confirm and they will be blocked. Okay, you can see now we cannot see their followers, we cannot see their following, and we cannot see their like. So this is how you block somebody on TikTok, guys. And if you have any questions or comments regarding this topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And thank you for watching, guys. And by the way, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.